Hello and welcome to all my dear students to Sail to MDS Dental Academy. I am Dr. Malay, Trivedi, Professor in College of Dental Sciences and Director of the Academy. So my dear students, the NEET MDS 2024 form has come. You all are waiting for this and at last it has come. So this video, as every year I am preparing, the main motto of preparing this video is that the information bulletin is around 108 pages. So sometimes what happened, you miss out some information. So all the very important information which you can miss out are there in this present video. Okay, dear students, so let's start with the present video. First of all, the website. Remember, you don't have to go for any website. There are many fake websites and blogs are there. Please follow for NEET MDS important update, authenticate website only. That's a netboard.edu.in and that is nba.edu.in. These two websites you have to follow, my dear students. And the helpline number is also there on the screen. Any problem you have, you can call me also, and also you can call on the helpline number. Mainly the students have the problem while filling the form in the payment section. Okay, so if any problem is there, you can call helpline number. Now, few important dates. Remember, the form is going to be available from 30th January to 19th February. So no need that you should fill form today only. Give 3 to 4 days, let the complete updation of the form happen, and then you fill the form. Please have your all the documents before you fill in the form. Your all the mark sheet from first to final year, your Aadhaar card, your voter ID, your proper photograph, thumb impression, signature, everything should be there with you for the form filling. You should not do hurry-burry to fill the form. Okay, and also an important thing, don't fill the form during the end like 15-16 Feb. Try to fill the form in the first week of February only. Okay, dear students, then remember the edit window for all your payment success application will be there between 22nd February to 25th February. Then final edit window will be from 5th March to 7th March. Your admit card will come on 13th March. Examination date, you all know it's 18th March. Your result will declare 1 month, that is around 18th April. So these are few important dates for your NEET MDS 2024 examination. Now, what are the scope of NEET MDS? Means when you give NEET MDS, this exam is valid for all India 50% quota seats as well as state quota seats and all the deemed university seats also. And those students, mainly those students who have done the MDS and are planning for the armed forces, they have to give this NEET MDS examination. Then only you are eligible for the army service. Now, examination fee little higher this time. For general, OBC and EWS category it is 3.5k. For SC, ST, PWD it is 2.5k. And whenever, dear students, you are filling the form, have all the things handy. Your credit card you are filling, or debit card or UPI, whatever the thing is there, it should be handy with you. And the place where you are filling the form should not be a mobile. You should fill the form at proper place in laptop or in computer where you have the printout facility, because after you fill the form, your payment receipt as well as your full form has to be print out. So please don't fill the form in your mobile. Now, eligibility criteria, remember your internship should be completed by 31st March 2024. If your internship is getting completed after that, you are not eligible for this examination. What are the scheme of NEET MDS 2024? You all know that it is around 240 questions examination. The correct response 4 marks, incorrect -1. If you are not attending, it is 0 mark. And what are the syllabus? Every student asks me, sir, what they are going to ask. The syllabus is simple. It is DCI recommended 2007 curriculum. So what if you have studied from first to final year, anything they can ask you. And remember, all the subjects have around equal weightage of 14 to 15 marks. So please be thorough with each and every subjects, my dear students. Okay, so you can see on your screen the weightage of marks. Now, as I told in the beginning of the video, so before you fill the form, all the documents should be there with you. Okay, just I'm going to brief out the sequence how you have to fill the form. First, you have to generate your user ID or application ID and password. For that, please have proper mobile in which OTP will come and proper mail ID. Okay, these two things are very important. Till you get the admission, these two things should be with you. You should not change your phone number or mail ID. Both these two things has to be correct with you. Fine, because you're going to get your ID and password through SMS as well as via mail. Then you have to complete the application form. You have to add all your details like your college, your internship completion year, your all 4-year marks, everything has to be written. Then you have to upload your photograph, scan signature, thumb impression. Then you have to choose your test city. Why I'm telling that you have to fill the form in first week, because sometimes the test city, if the students get filled in the one city, they are going to get the another city. You have to fill around 3 cities. So if you want your choice city, so you have to fill the form in the first week only. Okay, dear student, then you have to pay the examination fee. After that, you have to submit the application. And very important thing, you have to take the printout of your filled application form with transaction ID printed on it for record. It is very important when you are going for your admission process. Remember, these 4 things are non-editable. Your name of the candidate, it should be same like your Aadhaar card. Email ID you cannot change, your nationality you cannot change, your test city you cannot change. So when you are filling these 4 things, remember you have to fill very properly, because even after in the primary exit window and in the final exit window, you cannot change all these 4 things. So you have to fill it in a very proper and nice manner. Photograph uploading criteria, remember dear aspirants, it should be less than 80 KB, very important point, and the size should be around 35 mm to 45 mm. And you have to take 2 photographs, one real-time photograph, so whatever your computer laptop is there, it should have a webcam and white background. And recent photograph, remember it should not be more than 3 months old. Then scanning the signature should be done by candidate only. Remember it should be in a box of 3.5 width into 1.5 centimeter height. Which pen you have to use? Blue or black pen. Okay, dear student, and you have to scan in 200 dpi scanner, very important point. And the size of the image should be less than 80 KB, otherwise it will not get uploaded on the form. Then thumb impression, very important. Remember dear student, you have to draw a box like this around 1.5 centimeter to 3.5 centimeter. Use fresh blue or black color ink pad, and here also the image size should be less than 80 KB. And remember dear student, you have to give the demo test, which will be available from 8th March onwards. So that will familiarize with you how the exam is going to get conducted. It will decrease your anxiety level. And these are the cities available, around 56 centers are there. So student, please fill it properly, whichever center you want and which is nearer to your city. And also I tell my dear student that they should book the ticket priorly and have 2 to 3 days, okay, before you reach the center. For example, exam is there on 18, try to reach on 16 night or 17 morning, so proper rest you can give to yourself and as well your mind. Okay, and these are all the information is there, dear students. You can mail also. Sometimes what happens, many calls are coming and they are not picking the call, then you can mail them also. Definitely they are going to revert in 24 to 48 hours. And dear students, those students who want to prepare and they don't want to attend the lectures and the cumbersome lectures of 1 to 2 hours, they can join our academy. We have a small micro lecture, subject wise, topic wise video around more than 700. Then we have more than 50 exams with past paper collection, and our exam as well as test series have been prepared in such a way that you can access them whenever and wherever you want. Plus I am there for you all to help anytime in your preparation, planning, everything. And your special preparation for physio, pharmac and medicine, that is also system wise. Okay dear students, so all the very best. Any problem you have for form filling or anything, you can drop the message. My email ID, my WhatsApp is there on the description box, and any other help also you want, you can reach me out. Thank you to all my dear students, and please work hard. Very few days are left for your examination.